just heard you talking about headbutts.
Yes.
Okay, so in what? Why would you use a headbutt?
Well, you use it when somebody grabs you. If he grabs you around the neck, you don't pull yourself away, but you immediately go in with the head. You can do it on the chest or on the side of his head, and then you continue the fight. So the moment he grabs your neck, you block whatever, and then you do the headbutt, and then you do whatever you want. Do the front.
Because that's the strongest part,
Yeah.
is it? Okay.
Or the upper side.
Okay.
You can probably see it. It's a little bit red from the headbutt I give. I'm not sure.
When was that?
Just a minute ago.
Oh, okay.